What's bringing me to London? Actually, this is I looked out of place. Please make sure this will always be there to save you. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with a brand new and super exciting video because it is all about what I am packing or what I've packed for London, because by the time you're watching this video I would have already landed in London. It's going to be 10 years actually since I've been to London. It's one of my favorite cities. I was supposed to move there in 2020 and we all know what happened in 2020. What's bringing me to London? Actually, this is my first brand trip of the year. It's going to be with In Other Stories. You guys know how much I love In Other Stories. I've been shopping there for years. To be able to go to London with them, it's going to be amazing. I'm so excited to be going to London with In Other Stories. They're doing collaboration with textile designer SINDISO KHUMALO based in Cape Town. I'll link the picture on the screen. I'm so excited. The trip is for the collaborations. You guys are gonna have to keep your eyes peeled for the vlog, for my London vlog. I was thinking about extending my trip, maybe go over to Paris because I'm coming back on the 31st and then it's my birthday, so I was thinking maybe I should extend my trip, but I think I want to be home for my birthday. So I want to sleep in my own bed for my birthday and just have like a low-key birthday. Let me actually show you what I'm going to be packing for London. I'm going to be showing you some pieces from the collaboration so you guys can go check it out yourself. This is from the collaboration. I've got this short. This is it, SINDISO KHUMALO. You guys know I've been in this blue mood. As you can see, look at this blue on my thing. So when I wear this set, I actually want to do this kind of like blue eyeshadow. This is actually a set. These are the shorts. I am a size 34 for the shorts. I'll be trying them on the screen so you'll be seeing. Really love the sunflower. Is that a sunflower? But this yellow flower over here. Texture, the embroidery. I really love this. This is perfect for spring in this kind of like baby blue, but at the same time adding the element of the embroidery of the flowers, of the colors over here are just like so stinking cute. Matching jacket, but the jacket has way more pattern and way more fun in it. Has animals, flowers, like this is just like so fun. Again, baby blue jacket, you can just wear something like this that has, you know, fun pattern, you know, something so cute for the springtime. And also this jacket is, this set in general is actually bringing that nostalgia, because this feels like something that I would have worn, you know, when I was younger, and especially since I was a tomboy when I was younger. So now I feel like I get to relive my teenage years dressing up in a feminine way. So I really love that. Again, this is a size 34 for the set. The next piece that I got is this dress. Again, I really love this detail here. You've got this mustardy yellow ruffle going down over here and also in the waist area to really cinch you in and just make you look snatched. This is also a size 34. I really love this dress because, you know, I can just pop over a blazer, or I can just wear it like this with like a cute sandals and just be ready for the spring. I'll be trying everything on. The next piece from the collaboration that I picked out is this crochet. When I saw this crochet, I knew I had to have it because I know when I go on vacation, this year I need to go on a warm vacation and I cannot wait to wear this on the beach. But this is something you can wear in the winter also. I can see myself wearing a white shirt and putting this crochet top on top of the white shirt, and also do like a knee-high boots with this look. I just feel like crochet is in and I am loving it. And also I think because of this color, you have this mustard, you have this kind of like deep red over here, and then you've got the baby blue. Again, the baby blue has been my favorite color I think this season. Wait till you see, I got a new suit from In Other Stories also. But I thought this piece was just like so fun. This is something that I can wear in the summertime, fall time, like any time of the year. I feel like this is a piece that I can wear. And these are both extra small. Also, In Other Story, you have beauty. So I've got a bunch of like beauty things, which I'll be packing with me. Show you what else I picked out. Plus, you know, my own clothes that I already had from In Other Story. Of course, I'll be bringing this tweed jacket in this most perfect green that I've ever seen. Look at this street jacket again with some denim, a tank top. You cannot go on with this. Like, this is just like such a chic look. I feel like this is such like a London vibe. Being a little bit of color if you're not a color person, because I think in London they wear a lot of black. So if you want to do color, this is the way to do it. I also picked out this cute little bag for the trip. I envision wearing it with the green top or any of the looks really. So I thought this would just be such a fun little bag to bring with me, because I don't have anything this color in my wardrobe. Like, this is just so stinking cute. I love it. It does have a strap as well. Next thing I picked out is some black heels, because I don't have any black heels, if I am honest with you. So I got these in a size 36. This is like perfect for the spring summertime as well, to just like wear with everything. Strappy heels like this are just like classic. You just cannot go on with them. Those are like things that you're gonna have forever really. The next thing that I picked out is this top. I got this top. Look at the back. The back is just amazing. It almost looked like a corset, and the back cinch you in. This is for me to wear with the awake mood, that skirt on a dinner night. The first night we were having dinner, still deciding what I'm going to be wearing. So I'll have a better idea of what I will be wearing. Like the welcome dinner, I might actually wear this. Cannot go wrong with something like this. Such good quality. For this one I got a size 6. I did try the size 2. It was a little bit tight, and I thought, you know what, let me get a 6 because of the strap in the back. I can tighten it if I want to. So I also got some sweater, because I know there's probably a day where I'm going to go around and just like, you know, go shopping or go around and sightseeing. I thought I would want to wear something very chill. I picked out this sweater to wear. The sweater is kind of one big, so I was a size down. This is an extra small. And then I am going to be wearing the sweater with this skirt. You guys know the denim skirt is just like all the rage right now. This is a size 4. This is a color that I think is such a great color. It's kind of like a grayish dark color. It's like a black and gray, and I really love this. This is a size 4, by the way. You know the denim skirt is just all the rage right now. I really love this. I also got this other top just in case I decide to wear the skirt again twice. It's good to have, you know, tops for options. I got this one with this giant flower. I'm gonna wear the skirt a second time. It's good to have this as an option. The next one is this beautiful pink dress. As soon as I saw this pink dress, I thought, oh my days, this is absolutely stunning. I can wear this to one of their dinners. This one I would say one's a little big, or maybe just true to size. This is a size 2. I love this so much. Like, it is just so pretty. I love this kind of like balloony thing. It's like super short, which I love as well. Once I saw this is going to be perfect for spring, the summertime. I love this dress. The next one is, this has so much volume on the bottom, the color orange, and then you've got all this pleats or ruffle, and it almost has like a corset on the inside. This actually sucks you in. When I tell you, when I put this on, my waist looks so tiny, so freaking tiny. I love this, and I also love that this is not going to like wrinkle that much. That's not a problem. This is another dress that I thought that I could wear. Maybe I could wear this one to the final dinner. You know, I can start with black and then go a little bit more colorful on the second date. I got these boots to wear with the skirt, with the denim skirt, any of the outfits. I love these boots so much. Oh my goodness, and I need a pair of boots like this in my life. I truly do. This boots is perfection again to wear with the black denim skirt. I can also wear this with the dress, with the cream dress. It's gonna go really well with the cream dress. I am excited to wear this. I am going to be taking my tried and true sequin top. I was thinking I could probably wear this for the dinner also with the skirt. I've actually worn this like this before. Perhaps I could do something like this, because the thing about me, like, I want to wear more unexpected thing, which is something that I've been doing for years, which is why I typically never wear black when I go to an event, although black is just so classic, so sexy. One of the reasons why is because most people always end up wearing black anyway, so I always want to be the one to stand out, so I tend to like wear white. a different color. I don't know why I still have the tag on this, even though I've worn this before, but this is a pink suit that I got from In Other Stories. Yes, I love this pink suit. Again, the Viva Magenta is the color of the year for Pantone. If you do not have anything hot pink like this, you are missing out. I love the blazers. Like, In Other Story blazers are some of my favorite blazers out there because they're just immaculate. And this is that famous Awake Mode skirt from the In Other Story collection. Honestly, if you had to get one thing from that collection, it had to be the skirt, because I don't know if you could still find this. I wish I've gotten an extra small though, because this one's big. This is big for me. Now it fits me a little bit better. I remember when I first got this, it was just like falling down on me. I had to like hang it with like a clip. Once I lose weight, it's gonna go back to that, so I may have to have this taken. This is probably one of my favorite skirts ever. I wore this to a party the other night. Such a classic skirt from Awake Mode. I just love it. This is my pick for this month of March. Is this, again, this blue suit. Once I saw this blue, I was just like, oh my goodness, this is actually so stunning. I need this suit in my life. I got a size 2 for the pant, a size 2 for the blazer. Again, the blazer tends to run a little bit big, so typically I can do a size 0 or a size 2 for the blazers. I mean, I'm quite tiny too, so this is that blue suit. I was thinking I could wear the blue suit over there with the green top. I feel like this blue with the green sequin top underneath will just be such a banger. I cannot wait to just wear them together. Like, this suit is just freaking amazing. I cannot wait to wear it. In Other Story doesn't necessarily do like sexy, they just do like cool girl. Like, that's their whole thing. It's like that French cool girl. This dress is from COS. I mean, In Other Story is still owned by H&M and COS is owned by H&M, so it's okay to feature this in this video. But I will be taking a little black dress, a mistake that I've always made in the past. Even though it's good to wear something different in the sea of black dresses, I think it's still very necessary to bring a little black dress. Every time you're traveling, please make sure you bring a little black dress. I cannot tell you how many times I've made the mistake. Actually, every time that I've ever traveled, I've always made that mistake, except for last time. Last time when I was in Paris was the first time ever I actually bought a little black dress. I actually bought this one, which I wore. Usually I almost never bring a little black dress. Sometimes you end up meeting someone, going on a nice dinner. Little black dress is always going to be that girl. I remember going to this amazing party in San Miguel de Allende. They have this amazing party at the Rosewood Hotel every Day of the Dead, the biggest party. I went there, all I had was like a little floor dress, and I looked out of place when everyone was like so dressed up in the little black dresses, and I didn't have one. So I make that mistake a lot in the past. So always bring a little black dress, because when all else fails, a little black dress will always be there to save you. I'll be bringing this little black dress with me. Let me actually show you a little bit of the accessories. This one is going to be fast, and these are all the bags that I'm going to be taking. Obviously this one for dinner. Like, this bag sparkles so much. When I tell you, this bag always gets me so many compliments. It is one of the most stunning bags that I own. I wore this bag for over 200 days last year, and it didn't matter if it was day or night. I was actually carrying this bag, and I'm going to be carrying its little sister Luna over here. These are from the same place, from Jarite. I'm going to be carrying this one because this one I feel like it's great for during the day, and this one for nighttime. And then I'm gonna be taking my little Cleo Pepiat, because Cleo Pepiat is actually a London-based designer. So I feel like it's very fitting for me to wear this in London. And then of course I'll be wearing my new favorite bag. If I do an all black look, I'll be taking my Alaya bag. And then of course with the bag that I have from In Other Stories. That's mostly it. I do have another green bag over here from Open. I'm thinking if I should bring that one. All of these will be packed, so I need my little travel bag. I am deciding. Usually it's my Loewe puzzle bag. That's usually my travel bag, but this time around I'm not sure if I want to take the Loewe with me. But if you want to see more, just be sure to go to follow me on Instagram so you can watch my stories daily. Or what you can do is actually wait for the vlog, which is coming. I'll be back, I think, Friday. This mustardy trench coat is from In Other Story. I got it years ago. This is probably one of my favorite purchases from In Other Story still. Every year I bring this trench coat out, and everyone always go crazy for this trench. They always want to know, and I think it works really well with that mustardy yellow, the dress that I'm going to be wearing. So this has been it for what I've packed for London. Let me know if you have been to London before and if you like it, or if you'll be visiting soon. Thanks again so much for watching. I will catch you guys on my next video. Bye bye.